glad you're here today. You've been carrying a lot lately, haven't you? It's okay. You're safe here with me. Tonight, we're going to let your body slow down and your mind finally take a rest. Take pause. Now, take a deep breath for me. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Let's do one more. In and out. Forget the stress. Look into my eyes. Just relax. Imagine you're sitting in a quiet room. Soft light all around you. Your favorite scent filling the air. With every breath, your shoulders loosen, your jaw unclenches. You're not trying to fix anything right now. You're just being. You've done enough for today. Let go of that thought and that one too. Just breathe. You are safe. You're strong. You are doing your best. And that's enough. The world can wait a little while. Right now, this moment is just for you. Listen to the sound of my voice, the calm between each word. Every second, you're healing. Every breath, releasing tension. If your eyes feel heavy, you can let them close now. You don't have to think. You don't have to do anything. Just rest. Just be. Good night, and thank you for letting me take care of you tonight. Hey there, I'm so glad you made it here tonight. You've been holding so much, haven't you? You don't need to hide that tiredness anymore. You're safe here, with me. Let's take a deep breath together. In through your nose and out slowly through your mouth. One more time, in and out. Good. This sound, your heartbeat, reminds you you're alive, present, grounded. I want you to notice your shoulders, how they rise when you breathe in and sink when you exhale. Let them drop, just a little more. Feel the back of your neck relax, jaw unclenches. That's it. You're doing amazing. Every breath washes over you like warm rain, cleansing, soft, slow. Let it rinse the stress away. Sometimes our thoughts race faster than our breath. I want you to imagine each thought as a small cloud drifting by. You see it, you let it pass, you don't chase it, you don't fight it. You might hear sounds around you. That's okay. Every sound is part of this calm space. Whisper after whisper, your nervous system slows. You are safe. You are seen. You are held in peace. Let's do a tiny body check-in. Start with your forehead. Smooth it out. Your eyes, heavy, soft. Lips slightly open. Breathing slow. Move down to your neck, your shoulders. Let them sink into the chair. Down to your chest. Feel it rise and fall. That rhythm is your calm. Down to your stomach. Loosen it. Let go of any tightness. Your arms relaxed and warm. Your legs heavy, grounded. You're now in complete stillness. Picture yourself near a quiet lake. The surface, perfectly still. You sit by the edge. You can hear faint ripples touching the shore. The air smells fresh. Cool mist brushes your cheeks. With every inhale, you draw peace in. With every exhale, you release what no longer serves you. The lake mirrors you, calm, deep, alive. Stay here, just breathing, for a moment. You are enough. You are doing your best. You are not your stress. You are calm. You are safe. You are loved. Even when life feels heavy, you still show up. That's strength. Let these words settle into you, like soft light. Let go, rest, heal. If your eyes feel heavy, it's okay to close them now. You did something kind for yourself tonight. You allowed peace in. are safe and you are free.